Hey photographers, when you first start your business, it can feel like there are a million decisions to make. What camera gear to buy, how to get clients, and yes, what legal structure you should choose. One of the biggest questions I hear from photographers in their first few years of business is, should I stay a sole proprietor or form an LLC? And I get it, this whole legal and tax side of business can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I'm breaking it all down for you today so you can confidently decide which one is right for your photography business. Hi, my name is Heather and I am a wedding and senior photographer based in PA. On this channel, I love educating other photographers about taxes and finances as a small business owner, and I'm so excited you're here. Before we dive in, this video is brought to you by my free masterclass, Maximizing Your Tax Deductions as a Photographer. In this training, I'll walk you through the 5 most commonly missed tax deductions that photographers overlook when preparing for tax season. If you want to keep more of your hard-earned money, be sure to grab your spot. The link is in the description. All right, let's get into it. Let's start with the simplest and most common business structure, a sole proprietorship. If you've booked a paid session, even just one, you're already operating as a sole proprietor by default. There's no paperwork required to start, no special registrations unless your state requires a business license, and all your income and expenses are reported on your personal tax return. Sounds easy, right? It is, but there are some downsides to consider. As a sole proprietor, there's no legal separation between you and your business. This means if a client sues you, they can come after your personal assets, your savings, car, even your home. Another downside is you're also personally responsible for all business debts. So if something goes wrong financially, there's no legal protection. Now, does that mean doing a sole proprietor is a bad choice? Not necessarily. If you're just starting out, keeping things simple is totally fine. But as your business grows, you may want more legal protection. That's where an LLC comes in. LLC stands for Limited Liability Company, and it's one of the most popular business structures for photographers. Here's why. An LLC separates your personal and business assets, so if something happens legally, your personal finances are protected. It can also make your business appear more professional and credible to clients. Having LLC in your business name can signal that you're serious about what you do. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but what's the catch? Well, setting up an LLC does come with a little more paperwork and cost. There's usually a state filing fee, which varies depending on where you live. Some states also require an annual renewal fee or business tax. And once you form an LLC, you'll need a separate business bank account to keep things clean for tax purposes. But overall, the protection an LLC provides can be worth it, especially as your business and income grow. All right, let's talk taxes, because I know that's something that trips a lot of photographers up. Here's the thing, from a tax perspective, an LLC doesn't automatically change how you're taxed. If you're a sole proprietor, you report your income and expenses on a Schedule C with your personal tax return. If you're a single member LLC, you still report your income the exact same way on a Schedule C. So at first, nothing really changes tax-wise when you switch to an LLC. However, once your income reaches a certain level, usually around $50,000 or more in profit, you might want to look into filing as an S Corp, which can help you save money on self-employment taxes. But that's a whole nother topic. For now, just know that whether you're a sole proprietor or an LLC, you still need to track your income, expenses, and pay self-employment taxes. And if taxes overwhelm you, don't forget to check out my free masterclass, Maximizing Your Tax Deductions as a Photographer. It'll walk you through the 5 most commonly missed deductions so you can save money and feel more confident during tax season. The link is in the description. So, how do you decide which structure is best for your photography business? Here's a quick way to figure it out. If you're just starting out, making a small side income, and want to keep things simple, staying a sole proprietor is totally fine. If you're booking consistent clients, making photography your full-time business, or you want to protect your personal assets, forming an LLC is a smart move. And remember, you can always start as a sole proprietor and switch to an LLC later. You don't have to have everything figured out right away. At the end of the day, choosing between a sole proprietorship and an LLC comes down to how much legal protection you want and what makes the most sense for your business right now. If this video helped break things down for you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more photography business tips. And before you go, don't forget to grab my free masterclass, Maximizing Your Tax Deductions as a Photographer. If you want to make sure you're not overpaying in taxes, this training is a must watch. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.